Hey there, radiant souls! Emma here, and buckle up because today, we're diving headfirst into a transformative skincare journey. We begin our quest by pulling back the curtain on a common nemesis: acne. This adversary comes in many forms, from the blackheads dotting your nose to the cysts lurking beneath the surface of your skin. It's time to debunk the myths and misconceptions surrounding acne. It's not just a teenage plight, nor is it a result of poor hygiene. Acne is a complex condition, influenced by factors ranging from hormones and genetics to stress and diet. Understanding acne is the first step in our battle against it. Knowledge is our weapon, and with it, we're not just reacting to breakouts, but actively preventing them. So stick around because knowledge is power, and we're about to level up together. Now, we're getting into the nitty-gritty of skincare essentials. This is where the real magic happens. We're talking cleansers, toners, serums, moisturizers, and targeted treatments. Each of these products plays a unique role in your skincare routine, and together, they form the building blocks for a complexion that truly shines. First up, we have cleansers. Imagine your skin as a canvas. To create a masterpiece, you need a clean, fresh slate. Cleansers do just that. They wash away the dirt, oil, and makeup that can clog your pores and cause breakouts. But remember, not all cleansers are created equal. It's crucial to find one that's suitable for your skin type. Dry skin? Look for a hydrating cleanser. Oily skin? A foaming cleanser might be your best bet. Next on our list are toners. Often overlooked, toners are the unsung heroes of skincare. They balance your skin's pH levels and prep your skin to absorb the next products in your routine. Think of them as the skincare equivalent of a primer. You wouldn't paint a wall without priming it first, would you? Then we have serums. These powerful potions are packed with active ingredients. Whether you're targeting fine lines, dark spots, or acne, there's a serum out there for you. Just a few drops can make a world of difference. Moisturizers are next up, and they're a non-negotiable part of any skincare routine. Regardless of your skin type, everyone needs a moisturizer. They lock in hydration, keep your skin healthy, and provide a protective barrier against environmental stressors. Last, but certainly not least, we have targeted treatments. These are your secret weapons against specific skin concerns. Acne? There's a spot treatment for that. Dark circles? A specialized eye cream can help. Now here's the thing. It's not just about having these products. It's about using them correctly. Skincare isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. Everyone's skin is unique, and your routine should reflect that. Experiment, tweak, and adjust until you find what works for you. And remember, consistency is key. Building a solid skincare routine is like building a house. It doesn't happen overnight. But with time, patience, and dedication, you'll have a foundation that stands the test of time. So there you have it. The essential building blocks of a rock-solid skincare routine. But don't rush off just yet. We're just getting started. Up next, we're exploring holistic approaches to radiant skin. Because remember, true beauty isn't just skin deep. Get ready to build a rock-solid foundation for skin that shines. Stick around, radiant souls. The journey to glowing skin continues. Holistic beauty, my friends. It's not just about the products we slather on our skin, but also about the lifestyle choices we make every day. Picture this. Our skin is a canvas, and our daily habits are the brush strokes that shape the final masterpiece. Let's start with nutrition. One cannot overstate the importance of a balanced diet in maintaining radiant skin. Think of your skin as a mirror, reflecting the state of your overall health. Consuming the right nutrients can help nourish your skin from within. Foods rich in antioxidants, like berries, dark chocolate, and leafy greens, can help combat skin-damaging free radicals. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and nuts can promote skin elasticity. Hydration is another key player. So, remember to drink plenty of water, and embrace fruits and veggies with high water content. Next up, stress management. Ever notice those pesky breakouts popping up during stressful periods? That's because stress can trigger an inflammatory response leading to acne and other skin issues. So, finding your zen is crucial. Whether it's yoga, meditation, or simply taking a quiet walk in the park, find what relaxes you and make it a part of your routine. Lastly, let's not forget the power of a good night's sleep. They don't call it beauty sleep for nothing. During sleep, our bodies go into repair mode, healing and renewing the skin. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to let your body do its magic. Incorporating these elements into your daily routine might seem like a challenge, but remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start with one aspect, be it diet, stress management, or sleep, and gradually build on it. They're your secret weapons for a glow that radiates from the inside out. Home stretch. We're unveiling the magic potions, the products and routines that'll make your skin sing. Remember, it's not just about slapping on products willy-nilly, but about understanding your skin and its needs. So, let's talk about serums. These potent elixirs are like the special forces of skincare, designed to target specific concerns. For instance, a vitamin C serum can be a game changer if you're battling dark spots or uneven skin tone. It's like a daily dose of brightness for your skin. Then there's retinol, a real superstar in the skincare universe. If fine lines or skin texture are your bugbears, a retinol serum can be your knight in shining armor. Just remember, retinol is potent stuff, so start slow and always wear sunscreen during the day. Now, for those with oily or acne-prone skin, salicylic acid could be your new best friend. It's a 𝙃𝙖𝙧𝙖 acid that dives deep into your pores, busting blackheads and pimples along the way. Consider it your personal pore patrol. But let's not forget the dry and sensitive skin warriors among us. Hyaluronic acid is a hydration hero, pulling in moisture to keep your skin plump and hydrated. Think of it as a tall drink of water for your skin. Now, you might be wondering, how do I fit all these into my routine? Well, the rule of thumb is to go from thinnest to thickest in consistency. Start with your cleanser and toner, then move on to your serums. Finish with a moisturizer to lock everything in, and of course, sunscreen in the morning. But remember, skincare isn't one size fits all. It's about personalizing your routine to your skin's specific needs. So, experiment, listen to your skin, and remember, it's a journey, not a race. And it's not just about the products you apply, but also how you apply them. For instance, instead of rubbing your products in, try patting them gently onto your skin. This little tweak can help your skin absorb the product better and even boost circulation. Also, consider investing in a facial roller or gua sha tool. These tools can help enhance product absorption, improve circulation, and even offer a relaxing facial massage. It's like a mini spa session right at home. In the end, the key to elevating your skincare routine is understanding your skin, using the right products, and applying them correctly. So, don't be afraid to experiment, tweak, and perfect your routine. And remember, great skin doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and consistency. But the results? Oh, they're worth every second. Get ready for a personalized routine that's as unique as you are. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of radiant skincare in just 10 minutes. We've cracked the acne enigma, built a solid skincare foundation, explored holistic approaches to beauty, and elevated our routines with magic potions, also known as products. But remember, Radiant Souls, this is not the end, but rather the start of your transformative skincare journey. It's a continuous process, a beautiful dance between you and your skin. It's about embracing the changes, understanding your skin's needs, and nurturing it every step of the way. With each sunrise, you have a fresh opportunity to love your skin and empower your skincare journey. So, go ahead, take that first step. And remember, you're not alone. We're in this together, rewriting the rules of skincare, one radiant soul at a time. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share the glow. Until next time, I'm Emma, signing off with the wish for your radiant and empowered skincare journey.